When the tree is up, the lights are twinkling, and every ornament is perfectly placed. There's one final touch that completes the magic: the topper. It's more than just a decoration. It's the crown of your Christmas tree, the detail that draws every eye upward and ties your entire holiday theme together. From elegant angel silhouettes and sparkling stars to creative DIY toppers and whimsical Grinch twists, your topper tells the story of your style and spirit. So whether you love timeless tradition or bold creativity, we're about to explore Christmas tree topper ideas that will make your tree shine brighter than ever before. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your home for cozy inspiration and creative holiday decorating. In today's video, we're sharing Christmas tree topper ideas, from elegant classics to modern DIY creations. Whether your style is minimalist, glamorous, or delightfully whimsical, we've got the perfect topper ideas to complete your tree beautifully. Why is the tree topper so important in Christmas decor? The topper serves as the finishing touch. It draws attention upward and completes the visual balance of your tree. It reflects your personal style, whether that's traditional, elegant, or creative, making it the wow moment in your Christmas display. What are the most classic Christmas tree topper ideas? Traditional toppers include angels, stars, and bows. Each carries symbolism. Stars represent guidance, angels represent peace, and bows signify unity and joy. They're timeless choices that never go out of style. If you love classic holiday decor, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who are decorating their trees. What are some elegant Christmas tree topper ideas? Think metallic tones: gold, silver, champagne, or rose gold. Pair a crystal star, jeweled snowflake, or ribbon cascade with subtle lighting. Elegant toppers elevate your tree and give it a refined, high-end finish. How can I make a DIY Christmas tree topper? Use wire, ribbon, or lightweight ornaments to craft your own star or bow. You can even upcycle old materials, like wrapping paper tubes or fabric scraps, to make something unique and eco-friendly. Check out our DIY holiday craft playlist, linked below, for step-by-step tutorials on making your own festive toppers. What are unique Christmas tree topper ideas that stand out? Try something unexpected, like a vintage hat, a small lantern, a cluster of poinsettias, or even a snow globe. These statement pieces instantly grab attention and make your tree feel one of a kind. How can I create a cohesive look between my topper and ornaments? Stick to the same color scheme and material tones. For example, if your ornaments are gold and red, match your topper with gold metallics or ruby ribbon. Repetition of texture and color ties your design together beautifully. What's your favorite tree style? Traditional, modern, or playful? Tell us in the comments below. What are some Grinch-inspired tree topper ideas? Add a quirky twist with a Grinch hat topper or whimsical spiral tree that leans like it's been Grinched. Use lime green and red ornaments with striped ribbon for a playful storybook look. What are some simple Christmas tree topper ideas for minimal decor? Go for a clean white star, a simple bow, or even a cluster of frosted branches. Minimal toppers look elegant and timeless, especially when paired with neutral or Scandinavian-style decorations. If you love minimal or modern Christmas decor, hit subscribe for more inspiration from decor design ideas every week. What are creative ways to use ribbons as tree toppers? Layer 2 or 3 ribbon styles for texture, twist them into cascading loops, and let them flow down your tree. Choose wired ribbons for structure, and tie them in a large bow or spiral for a luxurious effect. How can I make my tree topper light up beautifully? Wrap small battery-operated LED lights or use fiber optic toppers for a radiant glow. Position them so they blend naturally with your existing tree lights, creating an even sparkle from top to bottom. Want to take your Christmas lighting to the next level? Watch our tree lighting and garland ideas video linked in the description. How can I make my topper stay secure on the tree? Use floral wire or twist ties to attach it firmly to the top branch. If your topper is heavy, support it with a small dowel or zip tie. This keeps it upright and stable all season long. How can I mix modern and traditional topper styles? Blend a modern star with vintage ribbon or pair a metallic bow with rustic burlap. Mixing materials adds depth, making your tree both nostalgic and fresh. What are some whimsical or themed tree topper ideas? Try fairies, woodland creatures, or snowflakes for a storybook effect. For a playful touch, use mini Santa hats or figurines that reflect your family's favorite holiday characters. How can I decorate around the topper for more impact? Add decorative branches, sprays, or floral picks beneath the topper to create height and texture. It enhances the crown of the tree and makes it appear more luxurious and full. What's a fun family tradition to create around tree toppers? Let each family member take turns choosing or crafting the topper each year. It becomes a sentimental piece that tells a new story every Christmas, keeping your holiday traditions alive and personal. Your Christmas tree topper is more than a finishing touch. It's the signature of your holiday style. Whether you go for elegant metallics, DIY creativity, or whimsical fun, It's the detail that turns your Christmas tree into a true centerpiece. This season, let your topper shine bright, because it's not just the star of your tree, it's the sparkle of your Christmas spirit. Enjoyed these Christmas tree topper ideas? Tap like and share this video with your festive friends. What kind of topper do you love most? Star, angel, ribbon, or something totally unique? Tell us below. Explore our Christmas tree and holiday decor playlist for more creative tree decorating inspiration. Hit subscribe to Decor design ideas for weekly holiday DIYs and seasonal decorating tips. Check out our videos on Christmas ornaments, ribbon garlands, and elegant holiday lighting ideas.